Hello friends, welcome to Shanti Dentist channel. In today's video, the topic of discussion is teeth grinding. You must have noticed that most people grind and clench their teeth. This is medically known as bruxism. Teeth grinding is a condition in which one grind, gnash or clench the teeth. If you have bruxism, you may unconsciously clench teeth when one is awakened or clench or grind them during sleep. Sleep teeth grinding is considered a sleep related movement disorder. People who clench or grind their teeth during sleep are more likely to have other sleep disorders such as snoring and pauses in breathing. Mild teeth grinding may not require treatment. However, in some people, bruxism can be frequent and severe, enough to lead to jaw disorder, headaches, damaged teeth, and other problems. Because one may have sleep teeth grinding and be unaware of it until complications develop, it is important to know the signs and symptoms of teeth grinding and to seek regular dental care. How can one find out if they grind their teeth? Grinding often occurs during sleep. Most people are unaware that they grind their teeth. However, a dull, constant headache or sore jaws when one is wake up is a telltale symptoms of bruxism. Many times people learn that they grind their teeth by their loved one who hears the grinding at night. If one suspects that they may be grinding their teeth, talk to a dentist. He or she can examine the mouth and jaw for sign of bruxism, such as jaw tenderness and excessive wear on the teeth. Why is teeth grinding harmful? In some cases, chronic teeth grinding can result in fracturing, loosening, or tooth loss. The chronic grinding may wear teeth down to stumps. When these events happen, bridges, crown, root canals, implants, partial dentures, and even complete dentures may be needed. Now let's talk about treatment of teeth grinding. How can one stop clenching or grinding the teeth? It depends on the cause. Is it due to sleep disorder, lifestyle factor, or stress and anxiety? It is important to have a dentist evaluate one with a comprehensive exam and develop a treatment plan for that is specific for them. The best way to protect the teeth and prevent tooth wear and fracture is to wear an occlusal appliance. These appliances have different names, including occlusal splints, occlusal bite guards, night guards, bite plates, and bruxism appliances. These are custom made, specially fitted plastic mouthpiece that fit over the upper or lower teeth. Wearing one of these appliances will reduce jaw muscles pain and protect both of the teeth and temporomandibular joint. The appliances are usually worn at bedtime and are considered the treatment of choice. When to see a doctor? See a dentist or a doctor if he/she have any of the symptoms listed above or have other concern about teeth or jaw. If you notice that a child is grinding his or her teeth or has other signs or symptoms of teeth grinding, be sure to mention it at all the child's next dental appointment. Friends, those people are suffering from the problem of teeth grinding. They are welcome to visit Shanti Dentals. They can also discuss about other teeth symptoms or issues which they are facing. The email address, contact number, and postal address of Shanti Dentals is given in the description. For further information, please log in to the website. Its link is provided in the description.